we maintain our hope, we become desperate, we become mad. And our madness, and our solitary madness, and our ekanta bhajan, or solitary moments in our own kutia, then we cry, "Oh, Radharani, please show yourself to me." And then they're looking. Krishna was watching the gopis. He was never away from them. He was near them. Just some Yogamaya, maybe not even Yogamaya, just some bushes. Yogamaya Purnamasi is arranging all the lilas, and she's orchestrating them all. And then Vrinda Devi assists her by, planting different trees and bringing musical instruments. Vrinda Devi is the assistant. She doesn't arrange the lilas. Oftentimes people say that, but this is incorrect. Because everywhere in the Bhagavatam it's Yogamaya, Lila Shakti, but Lila Shakti is not directly identified as Vrinda Devi, and Lila Shakti is not directly identified as Yogamaya Purnamasi. But practically speaking, who's arranging all the Leelas and all of Vrindavan is Yogamaya Purnamasi.